morning, guys. Today we're going to be talking about entrepreneurs in a free enterprise system. Our objectives today, we're going to be describing common skills and traits of successful entrepreneurs. We're going to explain the criteria to qualify as a small business, and we're going to be listing common reasons that new businesses fail. So let's take a look at this. What is an entrepreneur? Well, entrepreneurs are people who start a new business or purchase an existing business. Anyone can become an entrepreneur. There's no boundaries. There's no age limits. So anyone who wants to start their own business is free to do so. So there are 5 P's of entrepreneurship. The first one is purpose. Entrepreneurs are driven to be independent and successful. They set goals and they work hard to achieve them. The next one is they have passion. Entrepreneurs follow their passion, which is something they believe in or that they're enthusiastic about. Most successful entrepreneurs combine what they're good at with what they enjoy. They also have persistence. Entrepreneurs are persistent in achieving success. Determination to work through obstacles is a key in becoming a successful entrepreneur. They don't give up when the going gets tough. They also have a support system of people. Professional connections and business associations can offer helpful resources and shared experiences. And then they are focused on profit because the central focus of all businesses is profit. Successful entrepreneurs must manage all of the finances of a business and keep the business profitable. Defining and planning for each of these contributes to the success of a business. So what are the common traits of entrepreneurs? There are many traits and skills common to successful entrepreneurs. Now let's define trait. A trait is a distinguishing characteristic or quality that makes each person unique. Successful entrepreneurs share many common traits. They don't need to be accomplished in each trait, and strength in one area can overcome a weakness in another. They're usually recognized as leaders. Of course, you think of qualities like honesty and competence and self-confidence, being able to set goals, follow through on tasks, and be forward-thinking. So here is a list. Of course, this is not an all-encompassing list of several traits of entrepreneurs. Now, some, like we said, some may be stronger in one area than another, but it all works together. Now let's talk about the common skills that entrepreneurs have. Let's start with job-specific skills, because job-specific skills are necessary to perform the required work-related task of a position. People gain job-specific skills through work experience and education or training. These are also known as skills of the trade. So that means that entrepreneurs must have basic expertise in the type of business they want to run. For example, to open an income tax preparation business, a person must understand tax laws and regulations. Transferable skills are also necessary to become an effective entrepreneur. Transferable skills are also known as foundation skills. So a lot of these are listed here on your PowerPoint slide. Some of them are basic skills such as math and reading and writing. Good communication skills, that is very important. Knowledge of current technology. Problem-solving skills and planning skills. The better the entrepreneur's skills, the greater his or her chance of success. The basic skills will help the business owner keep accurate financial records, understand and meet legal business requirements, deal with customers and suppliers effectively, and manage general business operations. Entrepreneurs can count on the fact that problems will always arise. To keep a business running smoothly, they must be able to take charge of situations and quickly make decisions. Many people put off making decisions because they're afraid of doing the wrong thing, but postponing a decision often makes it worse. Effective decisions are made after weighing all the options and choosing the best solution or action. What is a small business? Well, according to the Small Business Administration, or SBA, to be a small business, you must adhere to industry size standards established by the U.S. Small Business Administration. The business size standards are based on industry groups. These standards help to identify and categorize small businesses. For most industries, a small business is defined either in terms of the average number of employees over the past 12 months or average annual receipts over the past 3 years. In addition, the SBA requires that a small business is organized for profit, has a place of business in the U.S., operates primarily within the United States, or makes a significant contribution to the U.S. economy through payment of taxes or use of American products, materials, or labor, is independently owned and operated, and is not dominant in its field on a national scale. The small business may be a sole proprietorship, a partnership, a corporation, or any other legal form. The operation of small businesses makes large contributions to the U.S. economy, and let's look at that. So let's look at the contributions that small businesses make to the economy. Small businesses represent 99.7% of all employer firms. They employ about 50% of all private sector employees. Small businesses create more than 50% of the non-farm private GDP. Remember, that's gross domestic product. Small businesses pay 43% of the total U.S. private payroll. They also hire 43% of high-tech workers. And small businesses produce 16.5 times more patents per employee than those of large firms. So, as much as businesses want to succeed, sometimes they just fail. So why do businesses fail? Well, unfortunately, many new businesses fail. The reasons are personal to the entrepreneur and they're varied. Some common reasons for failure include lack of money. New business owners must have enough funds available to support business operations before the business generates enough profit to pay for itself. Lack of business experience. Many business owners are skilled at their trade or profession, but lack experience in operating a business. Poor management skills. Managing a business involves people skills, organizational skills, patience, and willingness to adapt and accept change. Inefficient inventory control. Too much inventory on hand means money is tied up that could be used for other vital activities. Too little inventory results in lost sales and frustrated customers. Inventory should be ordered in the proper amounts at the best prices available. Poor credit management. Using credit responsibly is important to the financial success of a business. Credit should only be used when absolutely necessary. Poor location is another reason. The least expensive business location is not always the best location. The main consideration should be customer convenience. Customers must be able to find and want to come to the business. Improper budgeting is another reason. There are many expenses associated with running a business. Expenses can get out of control if business owners do not properly budget. And lack of advertising. Getting the word out about a new business is critical. Many new businesses cannot afford to adequately advertise, and that hurts the profits in their business. Potential business owners who plan and seek advice are more likely to avoid failure. However, there's no strategy that guarantees the success of any business.